And believe it or not, it worked. Oh my god, look how fast they're growing. I really love to see them appearing like that. It's wonderful. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Before doing anything, I will make sure my power saving mode is turned off. I'm going to turn it on and off again, just to be sure about it. Same applies for iOS devices. This was our first step. Now I just want to show you guys how many coins I have in my Match Factory game at this moment. Don't expect too many of them because I've just started playing this game. As you can clearly see, I have about 170 coins. That's very low if you want to buy stuff to pass the levels easier, I know, but we will try to change that soon. First of all, I'm going to open this. As you can see right here, it's called On Tweak, and they have lots of stuff. But today we're talking about the Match Factory game, so I'm just going to search for it to find it easier. Then I'll tap on it and here we go, going further to see what's this all about. Looks very nice, not gonna lie. I'll just enter what it's needed and select Android because that's what I'm playing on. If you reach this step and it looks different, don't be surprised, because they constantly do updates, but it's a good thing. Of course I'll go for max resources because why not? Also sometimes it might ask you to do an additional step, but don't worry guys. They always provide everything so you can enjoy this step without too much hustle. I cannot control these things because it's not about me, it's about them. Alright, now let's see what have we done. I'll open my Match Factory game again and see if the resources are there. I hope they are. This time I won't skip the loading part as I want you to see the whole process. And believe it or not, it worked. Oh my god. Look how fast they're growing. I really love to see them appearing like that. It's wonderful. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to leave a like and even a subscribe if you wish.